Hey everybody, how's it going? Morning of day 5. Actually, it's already afternoon. Slept in this morning, had us a big fat oaky breakfast again. I've gained 5 pounds since we've been here, and that's fact. So I'm back up to my weight of before I got sick. But anyway, we decided to get ourselves some culture, so we came down here to the Klamath Falls Museum. We're going to start here. There's a couple other places we're going to hit before we head back to the house. So anyway, I saw this when we were doing the depot video yesterday. I saw this place. I'm glad that we decided to come down here. All right, let's flip this thing around, see what's going on. One-armed bandits. I don't know how those guys in the old days spent days in those saddles.
In the truck wagon.
The Iron Horse comes to town. There's a mural on one of the buildings here downtown that commemorates the arrival of the first train in the Klamath Falls in 1909. It's a really cool mural. Exhibits of some of the house, inside of a house would have looked like in the late 19th century. A doctor's office. Barbaric. Bellows for a blacksmith. That's cool, but it's hard to beat the exhibits at Pioneer Village. This is all right, but Pioneer Village in Bakersfield. If you're ever in Bakersfield, make sure you go there. I will be doing a video on that at some point. German World War II stuff. This is a 1918 T. Gewehr. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Rifle. This is a 13.3 millimeter, which is a little over half an inch. That thing has got to weigh 30 pounds. That's gigantic. Chuck wagon display. Cool public fire alarm box. 28 Buick. And this is a Model T that says it's put together with parts from various years between 1915 and 1917. More saddles, gas engine. They use those for power all kinds of stuff. More saddles. Some cool old gas pump. Another Model T, a 67 Mustang. I had one of those. And Kenny is the only other person who has stories to tell about that car other than me. 1904 Oldsmobile. Early Cutlass Supreme. All right, little. Plane that is. Didn't catch it till it went over. If you know, drop the comments below if you can even see it. But a Weyerhaeuser Timber Company caboose, pretty cool. Fire truck there, and an early gas tractor. City of Klamath Falls street washing wagon, early street sweeper crew type things, and a buckboard. Huge gas engine. Old equipment here. All right. Moving on to the next place of interest. All right, well, we are in downtown Klamath Falls, old downtown. Got some really cool looking buildings. Daily Bagel here. I'm told that that was once a newspaper office. Clever. Yeah, guess people in Oregon are the same as people in California, riding their bicycles on the sidewalks. All right, that's a cool little theater, the Raglan. That's always cool to see old architecture repurposed. A lot of people in Bakersfield complain about the Bakersfield not having saved some of its old architecture, but they don't have earthquakes here in Oregon the way they do in Bakersfield. The earthquake that pretty much destroyed downtown in 1952. And it's cool. Klamath Falls Branch, United States National Bank of Oregon. That's a really cool building. The Newberry building, I don't know if that was a Newberry's or if that was just the Newberry building. I don't know if Newberry's was in Oregon. But that is the Newberry building. All right, that is the Oregon Bank building. And Oregon Bank. Cool old building. That building down there, I don't know what it was. It's a small plaza now with a flooring company and a couple other businesses in it. All right, we were driving over to the yard yesterday and I saw this place and I shot a little video about it, but after that we talked to a guy that talked a little bit to us about the history of it and things were. And this was the main office and the machine shop here. And this was one of the engine houses. And you can see the rail that used to run in there. And this is the front of the building here. This was a construction bay, whatever they call it, the building with the big giant overhead crane in it. And the guy, I can't remember what he said this was. Doggone my memory. And this was a foundry here. But anyway, I just wanted to get a little short footage, a little short piece about this. I don't know what, probably just different various shops they used out there for whatever. Well, we are at the John Hancock Event Center. And we're going to go to a rodeo, a real rodeo, not just a bull riding event. And I haven't been to a rodeo since about I think it was 1988, something like that. We went to the Glenville Rodeo. And to be honest with you, I have very little memory of that. But I'm not going to be drinking tonight, so I will have a memory of this. And if I do decide to drink, I'll have this video. All right. There you go.
Charlie Barker, come and get you some.
Oh, down he goes.
She's little. She's close to the ground. They call her the Gone Girl. And right now, Chuck's gone.
All right, here we go.
Big jump out. Hustle, hustle,
Not much bucking. He's going to ruin his score.
The rules are simple. 1 hand in the rein, 2 feet in the stirrups, and mark the horse out. I saw that yellow flag fall. Calvin Schaefer missed him out. All he gets is what you give him.
Fouled out. Wasn't set up right when he left the chute.
For the lead, 80
Bareback.
points, Clay Stone, come on.
That's how you ride bareback. Oh! That's not how you're supposed to get off a bareback.
He's right there. What do you say? Dust my friend off. You got to take that lead from there, head down that rope, and hope he's there when you get
there. There we go.
Steinberg, watch this. Smooth as back. Ooh.
The lead.
1, 2, 3, and a hooey. I said it. 1, 2, 3, and a hooey.
You did.
A hooey. I love a hooey.
How about this? All right. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Got 6 Mississippis.
As a hold'em, the calf has to stay tied for 10 seconds.
New leader, 10.6, 10 and 6.
All right.
And there ain't no markout rule. Slide up, ride, nod your head, get out and get some. 10 agreement. We'll make that corner.
Nope.
Special sauce gets the best hometown noise. We got kids from all over Oregon and Washington here tonight. Come on, whack. Hustle, hustle.
Oh!
He said, and it's hard to do. Come on, buddy. Jason Buckley.
Oh, looks like the Bulls won tonight.
Here we go. Somebody alert Kingsley Field. Too Tall is about to enter the airspace. What in the hell?
I fell into a hole.
We gotta get those tie-down ropers to fix their divots.
Hold on.
You good?
I know, that's almost.
Good news is your cape is perfect.
All right, we got horsepower. All right.
There you go.
I check the wind. Are we ready?
Let her rip, Tater Chip. I think.
Jump 3 Tonka trucks. Yeah, this is the entertainment in Klamath Falls. Here we go.
Seymour, Washington. It's wide open. Left turn. We're digging. Come on, come on.
Oh, 5 seconds. 5-second penalty. Doggone it.
And 2.
That's how you barrel race there. There's the new leader.
To the lead, 16:30.
All right, well, we left the rodeo. It wasn't over yet, but stuff we wanted to see was. So this will be my last video clip of anything that we actually did in Klamath Falls. Jenny and I are leaving about 6 o'clock in the morning and headed down, probably stop around Bishop, I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. All right, see ya.